Okay, we can all agree, school is hard. Between after-school activities, meeting with friends, and binging on our favorite shows, who has time to study for every test? Well, don't worry. We have got you covered with some super creative ways to cheat on your exams. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Crafty Hackers for more great hacks. Invisible tape. Bet you never thought tape could help you cheat. We are going to measure out a piece of paper that is the length of the tape. Got it! Now write out all those pesky equations. Who can remember what the square root of pi is anyways? Stick the tape over the piece of paper. And voila! The answers are right where you need them. Eraser. These cute little erasers can be used for more than just fixing mistakes. This eraser can easily hide a paragraph from your physics book. All we need to do is properly hide it in between two parts of the eraser. Fold it up like a harmonica, and use hot glue to glue the paper to the ends of the eraser. Measure another strip of paper. And use it to cover up the slip of paper with the answers. Tape it all together nicely so that you don't get caught. Consider that chemistry test aced. Cuff. Why not use fashion to help you cheat? You will need a sweater with long sleeves, so you can fold them over. Measure a small piece of paper and cut it out. Scribble down as many math equations as you can. What was the square root of x again? Place the paper onto your sleeve and sew it on. Did you ever think knowing how to sew would help you pass a test? Flip over your sleeve and get ready to get an A. X-Acto knife. Okay, this one is very easy to make and will work for a little formula or two. Measure out a slit of paper and cut it out. Write as many notes as you can and then slide it into the X-Acto knife. Fits perfectly. Pencil eraser. Time to replace this eraser with something useful. Measure the width of the eraser and cut out a strip of paper. Write your notes on the paper. Make sure you write it big enough so that you don't have to squint to read them. Now roll the paper up and stick it in the eraser holder. Stick a bigger eraser over it, perfect for those moments when you're stuck on a test. Reflective snap band. This one is pretty easy. No one will ever suspect anything is up, since reflective snap bands can be used for so many things. Just write your notes on the inside of a snap band. When you are taking the test, you can pull out the notes and read them whenever you need them. Whoever thought fashion could be so handy in school? Glue stick. This trick is going to take some major folding skills, but it'll be totally worth it. It's kind of like you're doing origami. Write your answers on the circles and then stuff them in the bottom of the glue stick. You can use a knife to smooth out any rough edges. Now you have the answers whenever you need them. Hall's cough suppressant. It's cold season. Who doesn't carry around a cough drop or two? Unwrap the cough drop and use the wrapper to write all of your answers. Now wrap it back up. The next time you're stumped for an answer, just cough. You'll get all the relief you need. Clear pens. Lay out your pens. Clear pens can actually mask the answers to a test and be completely invisible at the same time. Use a needle to scratch the notes directly on your pens. Now you will have a little help when you're writing. Juice box. This one can be tricky if you're not allowed to have drinks in class, but in case you are, we want to show you what you can do with them. Mark a little slit on the back of your juice box and cut it out. Wait, make sure you drink all of the juice first. We don't want any accidents. Now write all of your notes on a piece of paper. Slip them into the back of the juice box. And voila! A refreshing way to cheat. It looks so normal that your teacher will never know the difference. Skirt. Okay, this one is for the girls. Grab a piece of paper and write all your notes. Use some double stick tape to tape the notes to the inside of your skirt. No sewing needed here. We don't want to permanently mess up your skirt. Pro tip, make sure you don't put the note up too high on your skirt. You don't want to get into any embarrassing situations while cheating. Tissue. Take a piece of tissue and open it up all the way. Write a secret message for yourself or a friend on the inside and fold it back up. It's like nothing ever happened. Now, when you go to blow your nose, you'll get an eye full of answers. Ruler. Cut out a piece of paper that is a similar color to your ruler. We always thought that rulers were great during crafts, but we never thought they would help us cheat. Just flip over the ruler and your answers are right there. Pencil sharpener. This trick is all about cool pencil sharpeners. There are so many great ones to choose from, and they all have cool secret places for notes. You know that little section of your pencil sharpener that is for pencil shavings? It's also perfect for holding notes. You can even stick a note in the part that the pencil goes in. It's like these sharpeners were made for cheating. How could you resist? That's it for creative ways to cheat on your exams. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.